Hello, it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. This is my bathroom. My son and daughter-in-law came Saturday, and Sunday, my son started working on my bathroom. And I love the way it's all repaired, and there's some new things in here too, and he worked very, very hard on this. They just went back this morning, which is Friday. So I'm so grateful for all their work. They went back to Indiana, and I'm sure they're very glad to be home. But let me show you. Right here in front of the toilet, there was a leak, which had damaged the floor. And so he had to tear all this up and go down several layers of subflooring before he could actually get all of it had molded and it was very ugly. I'll try to slip some before pictures in here where he had the floor torn up. Then he had to build it back up. It was a lot of work. They bought me a new toilet, which is really awesome. Look at this. I've never had one of these before. I mean, not a toilet, but look at there. You know, it's that slow lid. It's a little strange, but I really like it. And also, I have the same sink, but they purchased a new faucet and stopper for me. It's really, really great. I just love this. And of course, a new floor went down. We some new vinyl, and it's just terrific. I just absolutely love it. It's really pretty. And he did a beautiful, beautiful job on this bathroom. So very happy and so grateful and blessed. I just wanted to show that to you, because I'm just bragging a little bit on my kids. All right, now then, come with me in the kitchen because I want to show you something else real quick. Wasn't that something? Oh my goodness, water can do so much damage, can't it? It sure can. So, being the mama, you know, when the kids come home, I like to cook. So, I've got some leftovers to eat through. And also, we had a carry out as well. So, I'm going to show you what my meal is today. I'm eating the last of the macaroni salad, which is really, really good. It's got lots of vegetables and it has bacon in it. It was very, very tasty. And instead of mayonnaise, it's got a ranch dressing on it. I've got some of the last of the garden tomatoes with some cottage cheese. Yes, I love lots of pepper on my cottage cheese. I've got a chicken breast that was left from Quick Star when we got fried chicken. And I have some fried green tomatoes left over. They're a little bit dark because these were in the air fryer to warm them up, but that's okay. I have some corn. I was given some corn a while back by my neighbor, and I took it off the cob and put some in the freezer, so we had some of that as well. This is very, very good. It's just got butter on it, some salt and pepper, and that's it. So that's going to be my supper for this evening. But I went through my refrigerator like a good doobie. I looked to make sure what needed to be eaten. I consolidated what I could. And basically, I'm just eating the leftovers in various combinations. I'm not recreating anything. I'm not adding to it because I don't want more leftovers to eat. I just want to be able to consume what I have. So, if you get a chance, the weekend is coming up, and if you get a chance, maybe over the weekend or Monday, be sure and look through your refrigerator, see what you've got that's left, see what you can use for lunches, just see what there is for yourself, and use what you have. I think you'll be very, very glad that you did. All right, listen, I love you guys. I really do. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. And because the weather here is gorgeous, let me know what the weather is where you are. And do you have any plans for the weekend? Let me know, because I would like to hear from you. Okay? All right, I love you. And as always, you know that little is much when God is in it. All right, I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.